everyone. My name is Joanne and I work at the George Hall Center at the EarlyON. Today we are going to be doing a science experiment, changing flowers and the color in the flowers. Alright, so I have some white flowers here today and some food coloring and glasses of water so that we're going to put the flowers in. So we're going to trim the flowers and add some food coloring. Each cup is going to be different. Some blue, yellow, green, and red. You can use as much as you like. The more you use, the brighter the color will be in your flowers. And then we're just going to leave our flowers in the water and see what happens. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, now that we have our colored glasses, let's see if we can make different colors. So our primary colors are blue, yellow, and red. What does it mean, primary colors? These three colors are used to make all the different colors we see every single day. Alright, let's start with blue. If we mix blue and red, it should give us a purple. Let's see. I'll add 1 drop, that was 2. And I'll stir it in. There we go, like magic. Purple. Amazing. Now let's try yellow. Yellow and blue make green. Let's add 1 drop. Wow, and stir it. Or you can wait for it to slowly change color, but we're going to stir. Look at that green. Beautiful. Alright, now what's left is red. Let's mix red and yellow. Red and yellow should give us orange. There's a little too much red. Let's see if we can add a little more yellow. To give us a nice orange. There we go. Sometimes the lighter colors need more food coloring than the dark colors for the real color to come out. There we have it. All our glasses have changed colors. So cool. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you soon.